This video will explain booking a proctored exam from a candidate's perspective. Live proctored exams are exams monitored by a human proctor, accompanied by AI technology. Booking exams is an essential process in the YouTestMe application because it will provide perfect organization for you, ensure preparation time, and avoid last-minute panic. On the My Tests page within the Assignments module, you will be presented with 3 view options to display your assignments. All 3 of these views allow you to execute the same actions. The List view. On the left side, you can book the exams in the menu. On the right, you can see your already assigned tests and progress. The Calendar view. The Calendar view categorizes testing sessions into 3 types: finished, upcoming, and available. Finished sessions are highlighted in blue, available in green, and upcoming sessions in orange. This color legend will allow you to distinguish which sessions are available quickly. After selecting the desired session, a pop-up dialog will appear. Upon booking an available session, the selected test will be added to the list of scheduled tests on the left-hand side of the screen. When a session has no more available seats, you won't be able to book that session, as portrayed here. This also applies to the situation when the booking deadline has expired. Depending on the test's configurations, you may be required to purchase a testing session. You can click on an available session and select the Purchase button in the pop-up dialog. Once the purchase is completed successfully, you will be authorized to take the test. The last view is the Tile view. You can quickly navigate the testing sessions and select a preferred session by clicking the Book button. And in the case of multiple sessions for a single test, you can click the Choose Session button and then book your preferred slot. After booking a test attempt, you'll be notified via email and provided a link to lead you directly to the test. To ensure you always remember an upcoming exam, YouTestMe provides test reminders via email. A scheduled technical support representative and the proctor can assist you anytime during your test. The proctor will monitor the test-taking progress live, ensuring integrity and preventing misconduct. See our other videos in the top right corner, which may provide you with more useful and related information.